So we're over here at the next parking lot where drifting is going on. So something that's really different. We took a little break from the time attack racing. We'll be going there to check it out later again. But yeah, drift cars, whole different ball game. Obviously different kind of fitment, different kind of setup. Only rear wheel drive cars. But yeah, instead of cars going in a straight line to get the fastest time with the most grip, this is the total opposite. You want cars to go sideways in style and with the least grip so you can slide nice. And with drifting, you burn through a lot of tires. But yeah. Ooh, that's a clean Altezza IS300. Clean. Mustang 350Z. S13s. So the S chassis, both the S13 and S14 are just real popular platforms. I see a couple Corvettes here. They are drift cars as well. LS engines just make power so easy. Another AE86 here. Ooh. Drift cars everywhere. Oh, that's sick. LS swap 240SX S14. Fielding shredders, S14. Some of you guys who watch Hyperdrive on Netflix might recognize this car. The pink car that went crazy on Netflix. Hyperdrive. 350Z. Oh, S15. Oh, we have a 2 JZ swap.
Like that. Hey.
Ooh. $20 ride-alongs. So first ride along, my brother and Maria both gonna ride along in the same car. It's gonna be this S14 coupe with a 2JZ swap. So right now they're gonna change out the tires real quick. But yeah, pretty cool.
Oh yeah, yeah. Cash app.
Earlier we were watching them drift, so they're trying to pick out what car they want to do a ride along in.
Oh yeah. Yeah. Hey, what's that?
Let's go film it. Let's go film it. So we're gonna go there and film.
Okay. So Marie going for the ride along. Marie's ride along. Ride along. How was it? Was it scary?
I was shaking a little bit when I got out of the car. It was really cool though.
It's scary, right? It's like you're losing control, but they got it in control too. It's kind of weird.
Yeah, I completely trust him.
Yeah, because they're professional drifters. If it's just a random person, I'll be like, I don't know. But they know what they're doing.
Yeah, they definitely know what they're doing.
Yeah, brothers ride along. How was it?
It's good.
Was it pretty scary?
No, it's not that scary, but it feels safe. It felt safe.
Because they know what they're doing, right? It's not like
it felt
out of
safe and
control.
controlled. It was good.
When you think it's gonna go like that, they kind of
Very
turn it and
controlled,
then
yeah.
pull it back.
That's cool.
Yeah.
Nice. So I'm gonna go for a ride along in this car. This is the S14 with an S15 front end and 2JZ swap. So yeah, go for this ride along. So inside the car, got my helmets on, harness strapped up, ready for a ride along. Just done my ride along. Ben did a good job on the 2J S14.5. Really fun. And this was the car that I just rode along in. Again, the 2JZ swapped S14.5. Ricardo's going for a ride along in Ben's S14 too. So same car I just came out of. Going for a nice little ride along. Ricardo just back from his ride along. How was it, bro?
Man, that was sick.
It's sick, right? Was it scary?
Nah.
It's like a little bit at first, but after a while he got it. So it's like that's awesome.
Man.
Bet you liked it too. First ever ride along?
I'm gonna build a car. Yeah, first time.
Yeah,
I'm gonna
this-
build a car now.